We're going to be looking at making a very inexpensive loom and making pony beaded wampum belts. Yes, here we see on my left. All you need is a sheet of cardboard. Get one of about this size, a foot, 2 feet, whatever distance you want. The warps, the horizontal, and all you do is to continually wrap it around the cardboard and insert it in notches to hold it on the cardboard. So here I have it set up for 11 beads. I'm going to make a 2-row belt. And so you need 1 more warp for every bead. So it's going to be 10 beads, 11 warps. To start, you choose your acrylic yarn and insert it over into the first warp. We're just going to tie a small knot on it, and we'll take that tail and we'll hide it once we get several columns done. And a needle threader, pull it through. There we are. And the pony beads are relatively inexpensive. It's less than a penny a bead. And the good thing about the plastic beads, you shouldn't get stuck with them. So you move it down, you lift them up. Get them more or less in position, then you can push the warps down through them. And it's the first row or column is always the most difficult to get the beads in place. And then I take the weft. This is what you weave with, it's called the weft. Go behind the beads, under the warp. And what this does is pull the beads tight to the last warp and also tighten the beads in line and hold them in place like that. Next, then you take your weft and you go over the top of the beads. Try not to go through the wefts. Make sure you're over them because the beads will have to stand up. So you pull it tight. Then I take that tail on the first starter and make a little knot. And we'll hide this later by running it up the first row. So we're ready for the next set. And so what I do is I hide it. I'll go up about 3 beads. Pull it tight. And then trim it. And so if I'm going to add a string, I'd go back 2 rows, knot it, and then loop it around and in the start again. So you don't have a knot on top of a knot.